Hi everybody, I'm Christina Jensen for Apex TV 360. In light of recent developments surrounding the coronavirus, we want to let you know that Apex is taking direction from global, federal, and local health officials leading up to the November show. Currently, registration is still scheduled to open in April. Of course, this is a fluid situation and we're keeping a close eye on it. As we monitor it, we want to keep you informed of any updates. The best resource will be apexshow.com. We will update the website with new developments. Now to your regular scheduled monthly programming. It's a new addition to Apex Repair Shop HQ. What to expect in this space at Apex 2020. Plus, top trends and issues impacting the automotive aftermarket. Those stories and much more on this episode of Apex TV 360. Hi everybody, I'm Christina Jensen for Apex TV 360. In our last episode, we spoke about the expansion of Apex. In this month's Apex 2020 Spotlight, we're diving deeper into this expansion and focusing on Repair Shop HQ. The new space will be located on level 1 of the Sands Expo. It will be an immersive environment designed to meet the needs of today's service professional and beyond. As part of this addition, the tool and equipment section, mobile heat transfer, heating, air conditioning section will move from level 2 to level 1. In addition, an alternative fuel and diagnostics telematics section has been added, as well as a brand new tire section and a 4-bay shop on the show floor. So what can you expect to see in the new tire section? Meet tire manufacturers and suppliers of tire change equipment. Check out tire pressure monitoring systems, balancing equipment, predictive analytics, and tire-related accessories. Also brand new this year, the Demo Shop. The Demo Shop will feature 4 service bays which will simulate a real shop experience. Solve your vehicle mobility challenges and receive valuable insights from the best trainers in the industry in Training Theater 1 and Training Theater 2. The theaters will facilitate undercar training as well as under hood. Moving on to the tools and equipment section, it has now been expanded. Test new-to-market hand tools, power tools, and diagnostic equipment. Enjoy one-on-one time with suppliers and trainers during pre-scheduled Let's Tool demos. In the mobile heat transfer, heating, air conditioning section, check out equipment and services for heat transfer, mobile air conditioning, and diesel exhaust after treatment. Attendees at Apex can't wait for this expansion and this year's show.
There's, of course, tools, which as a former technician, that just gets me all excited. There's equipment, there's training, there's products, there's everything that we need to be successful in this industry for many years to come.
More of an emphasis right now on the tool and equipment end. And many of those manufacturers are here, and it's nice to come because they are always coming out with new items.
More details on trainers and what they will be working on in this new space will be featured in future episodes of Apex TV 360. Watch episodes on apextv.com and check your inbox for monthly newsletters. In February, Apex TV 360 gave a quick overview of this expansion and what you could expect to see on both levels. You'll also be able to check out highlights from Apex 2019. Be sure to check out those episodes on apextv.com. Click Attendees to watch the latest video in the gallery. On top of the new additions to Apex, there are also returning favorites, like Apex EDU's 5 Trends in 5 Minutes, a popular session that will be back at Apex 2020. IHS Markit offered industry trends and aftermarket insight during this session at Apex 2019. According to IHS Markit, the fleet of light vehicles in operation in the U.S. hit a record level in 2019, and it's expected to grow 6% over the next 5 years.
That's still pretty healthy growth for a mature market. Not as high as we see globally. Globally, we see the number at about 13%, but still some nice steady growth for the aftermarket, and that just means more cars and light trucks to repair than ever before.
In addition, the average age of light vehicles in the U.S. has risen.
It's aging. The average age of the fleet right now is about 12 years, at 11.8. And the oldest vehicles on the road are growing disproportionately as a part of the total fleet. And the independent aftermarket gets almost all of those repair dollars for those older vehicles that are, say, 6 to 11 years old or even 12 years and older. And the fact that those populations are growing, again, another great trend for the aftermarket.
Be the first to know about the trends impacting your business at Apex 2020. Monitor apexshow.com, where we will post details about this year's 5 trends in 5-minute session. More information on educational opportunities at Apex will be coming soon. Make sure to stay informed by heading to apexshow.com. Stay tuned to Apex TV 360 for details surrounding Level 2. We'll be doing a deeper dive, giving you more information on what to expect. Mark your calendars for Apex 2020. The show runs November 3rd through the 5th at the Sands Expo in Las Vegas. Sign up on apexshow.com to receive a notification when registration opens. Join the conversation with the Apex community about this year's event. Head to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Use the hashtag Apex20. That does it for this episode. We'll see you next month.